Hello and welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by noxtt.com, enabling organizations through technology. This video is going to go into the issues that surround the RedShop e-commerce plugin for Joomla. So just a quick caveat and note, this video is time sensitive. This video only highlights the issues when using the RedShop install file from the vendor website. You may need to ask support for a separate file. So what is RedShop? RedShop is a Joomla e-commerce plugin. It allows you to conduct sales both online and physically. It can fulfill backorder sales. So this is an important feature because with a back order, a customer can come in and purchase a product that is not in inventory. So you may not have the product on hand, it may not be on the shelf, it may not be in inventory, but that is no problem. You can still conduct the sales transaction. And as soon as you get it back in stock, the customer will simply come in and collect. As a result, it can track back-ordered products, differentiate between sale and cost price of an item, and do reports on both. So for a given product, there are two types of prices you can track. You can track the sale price and you can track the cost price. There are also lots of gift option functionalities, multiple currencies, and you can create discount coupons that target specific users, or you can just have a global coupon for everyone who's on the site. So this video is just going to deal with the issues of installation, and we're just going to quickly highlight the requirements for using RedShop. The video is not going to go into how you can get your system up to these requirements, but these are the basic requirements for RedShop. So we're going to install RedShop using their download file, see the issues that arise, uninstall it, then we're going to install RedShop using the file provided by support. Then we're going to check the MD5 hash sum for both files to show that they're different, even though it's the same zip file. So based on the look of things, it may be the same file, but they're actually different. So our downloads folder is clean. This is the RedShop website, and we're going to download the RedShop component, the plugin, from the website. We may pause the video to accommodate the download, or I may choose to just talk over while things are downloading here. So this is the URL for the RedShop website. You can peruse it and look at their other products. So right here, I'm just going to do a quick pause. Okay, so it's already downloaded. RedShop-v3.0.2.zip. So we're going to install that right now. So here we go. That's it. This is a huge file. That is why one of the requirements is that you have to set the upload limit to 512 megs. Even though everything here is being done locally, it's going to take a little time. And we may now pause the video for this installation to take place. Is there anything else to discuss? Not much. So let's just do a quick pause and we'll come back when this installation is complete. You can expect to see a little issue because of the installation, and then when we observe that issue, we're going to take a little snapshot of the MD5 hash sum for that file. So for now, we're going to just do a quick pause. So the installation has completed, and this is using the file on the RedShop website. And these are some of the most noticeable issues. You get a warning here about jinstaller. Then you get plugin install could not copy the files. Let's hit the install demo content, because if you're now starting off, this is something you would want to do. And as you can see, sample data installed successfully, but there's a warning, PDF feature has been disabled. It's asking you to install a new one, etc., etc. So this is the issue you're going to get. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see things are pretty ugly here. So we know something is wrong with this interface. So what we will do now is we will uninstall that particular plugin, and we will install RedShop again, but this time using the file that was supplied to me by RedShop support. So you would go to Manage, search for RedShop, select all those RedShop components, and then uninstall it. So RedShop, we select all, uninstall, yes. So again, this may take a little time. We may go to a quick pause just to facilitate this. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, the uninstallation is finished. Even though you get an error here saying error uninstalling, it has installed. Under components, there's no more RedShop. So we can just refresh this. Now I'm going to install RedShop using the file provided to me by RedShop support. And that is inside this folder. We're going to use, as you can see, it's the same name. We're going to use this file. And we're just going to give it some time to upload and install. We'll do another magic of video editing and do a quick pause. Okay, so we're back. The installation has just finished. As you can see, there are no errors. And I can hit the install demo content. This is going to run pretty smoothly. Again, you see there are no errors, and this is the dashboard. So 0 errors, 0 issues. So let's just take a look at those files. I'm in my downloads folder, and I can conduct MD5 hash sum for the file I downloaded from the vendor website. And I can also do the same thing for the file that was given to me from support. And as you can see, there are two different files because there are two different MD5 hash sums calculated for each file. So I'm not too sure why. Hopefully they're going to address this issue in the near future. This is for developers who may want to take advantage of the RedShop features. Again, some key features. One of the reasons why entrepreneurs or business people may want to use RedShop is because of that back ordering functionality. It fulfills back order sales. You can track back ordered products. And another hot feature that a lot of customers are coming to me with is the ability to both track the sale and cost price of any item in the store. Multiple currencies, gift options, these are just to name a few. But the back order sales and tracking of back order items, as well as cost and sales price for any particular item, these are the main reasons why customers choose RedShop. So I just wanted to highlight these issues with RedShop in case any developers out there looking to use it. You may have to contact support for the install file. The one available straight off the website is giving some issues. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it informative, and I would like to thank you for viewing.